Hey everyone, it's Jamie here and welcome to my full walk-in tour of Madame Tussauds London. This famous waxwork exhibition is easily accessible via the Bakerloo line and Baker Street station. Madame Tussauds is literally a 3-minute walk from said station. Before starting our tour, let's have a look at the kinds of tickets on offer. And by the way, I strongly recommend that you purchase tickets in advance online to save you time and money. If you're not looking for any extras, a standard ticket will do. To experience the 4D show in the Old Planetarium, you'll need a standard plus Marvel Universe ticket. Tickets are also available to combine your Madame Tussauds experience with other popular attractions in London. And of course, you might want to upgrade your ticket to a fast track ticket and avoid the lines? Maybe not always needed. And without further ado, let's walk the whole of Madame Tussauds London. Be aware that there are a lot of stairs to access different floors of this attraction. There are accessible routes, however, should you be less mobile. Oh, and by the way, it's really noisy inside, like really. Oh look, they put the red carpet down for me, that's very kind. Travel vlog Jamie has arrived. No flash photography, please. The longest red carpet on history, I swear. Alright, let's see how many of these waxwork celebrities you can recognize. Uh-oh, am I going to get hate for showing these two? I love them. No spare parts here. Oh, Helen, you saucy minx. Are we gonna see some aliens? Of course we are. Holy macaroni. I'm going in. Of course I'm going in. I got a vlog to make. Oh, gross. Why are you banging? I can't help you. It's about to get very dark. Oh look, it's those lovely little alien eggs. How gorgeous. So the floor has just got very spongy. It feels kind of wet and soggy and soily. Oh, it kind of looks like me when I wake up, to be honest. We made it! Thank you, Jesus. Skull Island. Oh, bamboo! I love a bit of bamboo. What is Bruce Willis doing here? This is not his film. Don't you shoot any of the white stuff on me. Alright, I know what you're doing here. Why so serious? Oh, he's so cute. Look at that! Listen, there are no airs and graces here, folks. It's busy, and if you want to get a picture, you're going to have to push your way in. Just warning you. Spoiler alert, he doesn't survive the last film. I'll be back over and over and over and over. You too can have your hands made into wax hands. Why would you want to do that? I mean, each to their own, I suppose. Look, just in case you're interested, who am I to judge you? Another spoiler alert, she's not real. You never know what's around each corner. Well, you probably would if you looked at a map, actually. Bates Motel. Oh, awesome. Blimey, we're like yo-yos, aren't we? Up, down, up, down, up, down. Look, I'm not gonna lie, if I had a waxwork, I reckon they'd put me in this sporty area as well. I'm just so hench. I think they look far more interesting in wax. I totally knew that you were trouble when you walked in. penny for your thoughts, my darling.
Honestly, sometimes it's difficult to tell which is a waxwork and which is the reality.
I'm a very tactile person. Push, always push. Oh my god, more stairs! Oh, awesome. I'm so up for this. Oh, me goodness, it's a long way down. Oh, through the curtain. We love doing this. Oh, it's just dark. Pretty much just lots of dark walkways at the moment. Not much happening, I've got to say. A few signs up. Oh, we're going to prison. Not the first time for me. But look, another dark tunnel.
Lord, have mercy on your soul.
Clip the lady's ears off. Yeah, I'll see you ripped up.
Not being funny nor nothing, but if you're going to go all that way down, you really want it to be a bit more worthwhile. Alrighty, not so much the Chamber of Horrors, Chamber of Bore, rather than gore. We are now heading to the global sensation. I'll probably feature here. Ooh, right. That's right up my alley. Ooh, they should redo this ride with Uber. Oh, look, choose your language as well for your tour.
London of Queen Elizabeth I. The King of England's baker. Some pause. This time.
I'm feeling totally and historically cultured. Alright, I wondered if you could get some treats on the way around. Here you've got waffles, chocolate fountains, fruit, toffee apples, marshmallow donuts, nothing that I can eat. Oh, there's one big arse up there, look. Just reminding you that for the 4D attraction, you need your £5 bolt-on. Oh, Groot, I love you. Why do you always get so much hate? I think you're awesome. We miss you. You're gonna need 3D glasses. Alright, I'm assuming I want to be pretty much in the middle because the screen goes all the way around and above. I don't know if you can see from the footage, but the seats are actually secured on an incline, so you are leaning back against your chair. I am ready for you. Couldn't film inside, but was it worth the £5? Well, once maybe. Because it's pure cartoon, it never really felt totally immersive. Wow, the finale, Star Wars. Mwah, mwah. Oh, you and that hair. I have no idea where we're going now. Oh, he's so cute. This is what I'm going to look like when I'm a little bit older. No, you are not my father. You're not my father. Oh, the nostalgia. Oh, the floor's vibrating for some reason. Naughty. You're not gonna make it, Darth.
Oh, BB-8!
More stairs to the gift shop, and I think we're done. So that took about 1 hour 30 in total.
Holy macaroni, slap me in the belly of all wet fish. Grogu's going for £50.
You know what though? Some of these are quite cool and retro aroma.
And that's it. Exit ahead.
Opening and closing times are seasonal, so do check these out on the website. When buying your tickets online, you'll also be asked to choose your arrival window. This did seem to manage lines and crowds quite well on my visit. I did have an enjoyable visit to Madame Tussauds, although I'd say it's quite pricey given you're only going to be inside for an hour and a half to 2 hours max. As always, drop your comments below, I'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to follow Travelblog Jamie on Twitter, Instagram and YouTube.